How to find out which parking sensor is bad. Simple DIY test. You can find a bad parking sensor by first listening for a faint clicking sound from each sensor while the car is in reverse. The sensor that is not clicking is likely the faulty one. For a more technical test, you can use a multimeter to check the resistance of the sensor or a diagnostic tool to scan the car's computer for fault codes. Method 1. Listen for clicking, turn on the ignition and put the car in reverse. You do not need to start the engine. Place your ear close to each parking sensor or gently touch each one with your finger or a screwdriver. A working sensor will emit a faint, rapid clicking or ticking sound. The sensor that does not make a sound is the one that is likely faulty. Method 2. Use a multimeter. Remove the suspect sensor from the vehicle. Set your multimeter to measure electrical resistance, ohmega. Measure the resistance between the sensors, plus and minus contacts. A good sensor should have very high resistance, over 0.5 m ohmega. Measure the resistance between the plus contact and the signal contact, and between the minus contact and the signal contact. A good sensor should have a resistance in the 2 to 40 k ohmega range for each of these readings. If the readings are not within the expected ranges, the sensor is likely bad. Method 3. Use a diagnostic tool. Plug a diagnostic tool into your car's OBD2 port. Scan the vehicle's computer for fault codes, specifically for the parking assist or parking sensor system. The diagnostic tool will provide information about which sensor is not communicating correctly and may even indicate a faulty sensor.